Nobody wants their heart broken, definitely not beautiful women. It's a great honor to be working after Aamir with Shah Rukh. I hope I get the best of both the Khans. It's always a pleasure to work with Saif. Saif was wonderful as the Sardar. No, Saif is, I think, very versatile kind of actor. I think it's going to be one of Bollywood's biggest. Hi, this is Kareena Kapoor and you're watching me exclusively on BollywoodHungama.com.
Kareena, we've taken a few questions from your fans on Twitter. They would want you to join as soon as possible. There's one fan of yours from Italy. Her name is Francie01. You were fantastic as Ekta. That is Golmaal Returns.
ये क्या है? इसलिए तुम्हें दर्द नहीं हुआ ना?
What kind of relationship you will have with Ajay's character that is in this film?
Well, Ajay's character, which is Gopal in this, and my character in the film, it's not a love kind of a thing. We're not husband-wife, but there is a little bit of undercurrent that Ajay likes her in the film. Okay. But she's basically with the boys. She's considered as a boy, as a guy. Okay. She's not really looked into like, this is a girl or guy. So there's not going to be a husband-wife thing in this film.
Next one is by Timur21. How's it working with Ajay in comedy? You've done an Omkara with him, you've done a Golmaal Return, so I think quite a bit of a...
I think, yes, he's one of the most versatile actors in our industry today.
यहाँ तक तू बहुत बड़ी धूल है, या बहुत बड़ी चुड़ैल.
नाम क्या है तेरा? Prem Chopra, fantastic.
He ranges from like playing Omkara to Rajneeti to kind of all the comedy series like All the Best and Golmaal Returns.
I think Atiti Tum Kab Jaoge. I think I love that film.
I haven't seen the film, but I've heard it's really sweet.
Except for a few portions, but it's good.
I think he's very versatile.
We'll take one more. It is by Chandan S. Charm. How was it working with Mithunda?
I think it was great fun. Mithunda was like the dada of the family. He was like an uncle, like a father figure to the whole unit. And also I think, working with the youngsters, he became like one of them. And he would sit and talk and we would pull his leg and he would take it in his stride and in spirit, I mean, I enjoyed working with him, like I cannot tell you. And of course the food has become famous, the Bengali khana that he used to make.
Was it non-veg or vegetarian?
No, I mean, I'm a vegetarian.
Obviously.
So he would specially make vegetarian for me, which I think was very touching because he realized that Kareena is a vegetarian and he's a non-veg, but he would cook non-vegetarian for himself and specially vegetarian food for me, which was really touching.
And I believe he celebrated his birthday with you guys as well.
He was there, and in the night we kind of had a little cake cutting thing, that day also he cooked. Actually, uske birthday pe hum log ko khana banana chahiye tha, but uske birthday pe he was only making, and he was only kind of, he made the party food and everything, which was quite nice.
Fantastic. Chandan S. Charm has also asked about Ajay's pranks. He's famous for his pranks. Ajay Devgan.
Well, in this film, Ajay's pranks were only done luckily on Subhash. They were not done on me as much because the best thing to do is I became friendly and became in Ajay's gang. So he could not do a prank on me only. I was just part of it with him. So we got spared amongst the pranks. So, but on the set, तो Subhash और ADs के पीछे और I mean वो तो ongoing रहता है.
In fact, I think Subhash should be working in a movie. In fact.
Yeah, he's become so popular now.
Popular, and I think he's got a spontaneous laughter. He doesn't mind the pranks.
Not at all. He loves Ajay.
Even I think Rohit Shetty is very fond of him.
Yeah, they are very close, all of them.
Next one is by Gilly Sen. What is more painful, unreciprocated love or heartbreak?
Oh God, I think nobody wants their heart broken, definitely not beautiful women. Definitely. So I think heartbreak would be more.
Kumar S25, what is your fondest memory of Golmaal 3?
I think the fondest memory would be the fact that Ajay, me and Tushar became really close friends.
Right.
And in Golmaal Returns, I never had a lot of shooting dates with all the boys, but this time I was there throughout the 60-day shoot. So I think because of the time span of spending more time, we kind of really bonded more in Golmaal 3 than Golmaal Returns. And I think that to me will be like the best thing of the movie.
Desi Gal 90, does she ride the infamous bike with the boys?
Well, there is a shot of all of us on the bike. All 6 of us are on the bike. The specially made Golmaal bike by Rohit Shetty. So there is a shot in the song which we've done, which yes, of course, will be in the movie.
Lizzie Jen 24, which is your favorite scene in Golmaal 3?
Well, there is a scene in this film where the abuses that I've used in the film, they're not direct abuses. They're all abuses that sound like abuses. So when you say it, it sounds like a gali de rahi, but actually kuch bol nahi rahi hai. There's no meaning to it.
Right.
So there is a scene where she breaks a beer bottle and then she abuses, and it's quite a highlight sequence, and I think people will love it in the cinemas. That's my favorite scene.
Finally, V Kajol, what new is Kareena doing with her role in G3?
Well, it's a role I've never done before, ever, because normally if you're playing like a chulbuli or like a spunky kind of character, it's always very feminine. Whereas this time, the first time an Indian film heroine is playing a role of somebody who's feminine but yet like a boy.
There's something very interesting about your T-shirts that you're wearing in the
Right.
film, and the Sholay thing and all that is there.
Yeah, she's basically just to add to her character,
Right.
कि she's quite a
Dialogues.
bindas girl.
Right.
So she wears T-shirts from old Hindi film dialogues के चल धन्नो.
Right.
Then she's one in जहाँ पना तुसी great हो.
Right.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. So she's used all these lines in the T-shirt. It was Manish Malhotra's idea actually. We should be
Right.
credited for this because I'm sure the look is gonna get quite popular.
A clothes line is being planned as well for your styling and everything.
Well, I'm sure during the release time, the T-shirts are going to become quite a rage. People will be selling them in the stores for sure. Like, I would like to have a T-shirt which is really colorful and nice, and you know, kitne aadmi the?
Sure.
That kind. So I think it'll be a rage in the stores.
You're doing Ravan. I think it's already making huge news.
It's a great honor to be working after Aamir with Shah Rukh, and I mean, I hope I get the best of both the Khans.
Ahsoka, I think the way you guys look together was very good.
The chemistry was
Yeah,
very good.
yeah.
रोशनी से भरे 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 नैना तेरे.
It's been quite a while that you're finally working with them. There was a Dawn number, but finally you're working. So how was the entire thing that even Marjani was there?
Yeah, we've done songs together, but this is the first time we'll be doing a full-fledged film. But I think this film is one of Shah Rukh's most special films.
Right.
He's producing it, he's acting in it, and I'm just happy that he thought of me to play this role in the film. And I think it's going to be one of Bollywood's biggest next year.
You're also shooting for Agent Vinod.
That started.
That is Sriram Raghavan. I think he's an outstanding director. So how was that experience? How's that experience been?
Well, that experience is going to be quite draining because there are a lot of different locations which we're shooting in. We're shooting in Morocco and Marrakesh, Amsterdam, Latvia, London. So it's all over the place. It's quite hectic, but it's always a pleasure to work with Saif and definitely with him as a producer now.
Right. I think Love Aajkal was very nice movie.
Very nice.
Very nice movie, and I think even his performance was really
Saif
good.
was wonderful as the Sardar. I think.
मैं वादा करता हूँ चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए यही मेरी पुट्टी बनेगी.
He was outstanding as a Sardar, in fact. Even the sepia color tone looked in that particular thing was outstanding. In fact, I love one of the songs in the San Francisco that they've shot.
Right, that.
Where he goes and
That's a
like,
sad
he's
song.
he's happy initially, and the transformation within the song, the way it happened.
मैं क्या ये बतलाऊं मैं वो हूँ जो चाहूँ वो पाऊँ.
Saif is, I think, one of India's very versatile kind of actor.
Sure.
He can play different kind of roles.
Definitely, and I think he has lost a lot of weight and he's looking very good as well. Madhur Bhandarkar's heroine, that is the talking point right now. So,
Well, it's early to talk about that, but yes, Madhur and me are committed to do this film together. But once I finish Ravan and Agent Vinod, only then will I be able to start it. So I think not before December, Jan.
but I think that must be an experience because he is known to extract, I think, the best performances out of his women characters. He's known for that, so I think that
Absolutely.
must be something to look forward to.
I'm excited, but I know it's going to be very taxing, a lot of hard work.
Sure.
So I have to finish all my previous projects and just kind of concentrate on that.
And I believe you've said before that you'd like to play Julia Roberts' character in Erin Brockovich.
Right.
I had kids. Learned a lot right there. Yeah, and I'm great with people. When I was first out of high school, I got married and had a kid too young. I'm extremely fast learner. You got a really nice office.
I think that's a fantastic
It's
character
a
for any.
absolutely fantastic role, but India mein, I don't know how well it will be accepted, but also we need script writers to write these kind of films for us.
Thank you very much, Kareena
Pleasure.
Kapoor. It's always nice talking to you, and we really hope that all your films do very, very well. Thank you very much. That's all we have from BollywoodHangama.com. Keep on watching.
हम बेफिक्र चलते